So if you look at this graphic that is on air, and we'll just keep that graphic there for some time, it's important that you look at the graphic and understand what's going on. Look at the graphic very closely. The CEO of Quant has been summoned. The co-founder of Quant has been summoned. Managing partner, founder partner has been summoned. Jaya Saha, the talent manager, has been summoned. Jaya Saha was also linked to Sushant Singh Rajput, was also linked to Rhea Chakrabarti, was taking instructions from Rhea Chakrabarti, and Karishma, who's Deepika Padukone's manager from Quant, has also been summoned, right? And they're all being investigated in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. So it is the Sushant Singh Rajput case that is taking a turn with Bollywood and drugs in Bollywood coming under the scanner. Now look at the actors that they handled. Rhea Chakrabarti, Sushant at one point was associated with Quant, Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor. Now that's how the investigation began, and that's how the names began to tumble, because one after the other they started coming out, right? Now Rhea Chakrabarti, Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor. Now are there many more stars in Quant? Now what is under the radar is whether there are more stars who were at Quant, who did consume drugs, who sought drugs, who were supplied drugs by Quant. Who are these people? Were they people who are supplied drugs by Quant? And who's the real owner of Quant? Was Quant involved in drug trafficking? Well, these are some of the questions. And if Quant was supplying drugs to actors, which they were as per the chats available with us, then what is, and we'll also get to the shots of of all the different people, including Jaya Saha, Madhu Mantena, Dhruv and Karishma, who are at the Narcotics Control Bureau. We'll continue to play out those pictures as well as we tell you what's going on in the case. The ownership of Quant is under the scanner. The ownership of Quant is under the scanner, and who the real owner is also under the ambit of the investigators, including the Enforcement Directorate. As we speak, Sara Ali Khan is back home, and she's getting ready to be present at the NCB on Saturday. Deepika Padukone was en route the airport in Goa, but changed her mind, has not taken off yet, is what we are told. And as we speak, let me tell you, the entire focus is on Quant, because most of the names associated with Quant have been questioned, and they are under the ambit of the investigators. And the mystery is who's the big boss at Quant? Who's the big boss? Who's the owner? Now that's the big question, because if there was peddling being done, if there was drug trafficking being done at Quant, which what investigators believe was happening, were these drugs being sold commercially? If they were supplying drugs, by virtue of being talent managers and managing these artists, and if they were sold commercially, now we don't have any proof of the commercial use, but it is under the ambit of the investigators. Now all of these aspects, all of these questions will remain. Jaya Saha, of course, seems to know a lot, because her name came out in the death of, after the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. She was under investigation. We questioned her as well. Of course, we are told that Karishma is under pressure from Deepika Padukone's team, because her name came into the picture after those chats emerged. Now let me go across to Piyush as well. Piyush is live with us. The intense focus is on Quant. And Republic TV has been tracking very closely, and we've been telling you that big names are under the investigators' lens, are under the scanner. And Piyush is joining us live. Piyush has also been probing the story on Republic TV. Piyush, what's the Quant angle? In fact, we are told that Quant is just the tip of the iceberg. There are many more agencies under the scanner. But I think the entire focus is on Quant at this point, because of the names that are emerging, the actors that they handle, the actors whose chats have emerged. We don't know how many more actors are there, how many more talent managers are there who are supplying drugs. But this is what we know so far, that the 3 or 4 who have been summoned are under the ambit of the investigation. Piyush.
Well, Ranjan, what we are learning is that there are ample chances that many more names of many more Bollywood actors will tumble out, because after the kind of big summons which have been issued to the big wigs of Bollywood, including Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor, Shimon Khambhata, we have seen that how how it can lead to further investigation at the part of NCB. What we are picking is that the role of Quant will also be investigated in the entire investigation, because Kwan has got talent managers placed at these agencies and also placed at these Bollywood actors companies. So this somewhere tells us that how they were correlated with this talent management agency. Right now we are at Sara Ali Khan residence, who has just entered, and she has also been summoned by the NCB. What we are learning is that most likely by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, she will be present there at the NCB headquarters at the SIT office on the 5th floor of this very particular building. She lives there. What is more shocking here is that not only one, but there are multiple links are now coming out, and every link is now ending at the Kwan. Kwan is the one with the talent management agency which was dealing with many Bollywood actors, and many Bollywood actors had their talent management managers from that particular company. Now we'll have to wait and watch how NCB is going to move ahead and investigate the entire case. But the statement was also issued by Salman Khan's lawyers, in which he had mentioned that he has done nothing to do with the entire case. So many things have come out. We'll have to wait and watch how NCB moves ahead. Tomorrow, Deepika Padukone is most likely to be there at the NCB headquarters, where she will be grilled. Her own talent manager also belongs from the Kwan talent management agency. So there are certain links which are now coming out. We'll have to see what NCB does. Though the entire investigation was going on, we have seen that since morning how Shumon was grilled, Shruti Modi was also grilled. So almost every big wig of Bollywood has now been asked. Almost every big wig is now becoming the part of this probe. Deepika Padukone is the biggest one in this line. We'll have to wait and watch what will be the line of questioning as far as Deepika Padukone is concerned.